In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a PDF file with Claude AI. To get started, open your Claude chat. You can either click on New Chat if you want to begin a fresh conversation, or select an existing chat if you'd rather continue in one you already have open. Both options work, so just choose whichever feels more convenient for the task. Once you're inside the chat, look at the prompt field, which is the area where you normally type your message. Near that field, click the plus icon. This is where Claude gives you the option to attach extra content to your conversation, and it's the key step if you want Claude to read and summarize a document for you. After clicking the plus icon, choose the option that says Add Files or Photos. This lets you upload a document directly into the chat so Claude can access it and work with the content inside. If you don't immediately see your file, just take a moment to browse to the correct folder on your device. Now select the PDF file you want to summarize and upload it. Once the file is attached, go back to the message box and type a simple prompt. For example, you can write something like, "Summarize this PDF file for me." You can also use similar wording if you want. The important thing is to clearly tell Claude what you want it to do with the uploaded file. If you want better results, it helps to keep your request direct and specific. For a basic overview, a simple summary request is enough. If needed, you can also ask for a shorter summary, a detailed breakdown, or a summary focused on key points. But the main process stays exactly the same. Upload the PDF, then ask Claude to summarize it. Once your prompt is ready, send the message and give Claude a moment to process the document. Depending on the file size and how much content is inside the PDF, it may take a little longer for the response to appear. After that, Claude will generate a summary based on the file you uploaded. And that's it. As you can see, summarizing a PDF file with Claude AI is very quick and straightforward. You open a chat, click the plus icon, choose Add Files or Photos, upload your PDF, and type your summary request. It's a simple workflow that can save you time whenever you need a fast overview of a document.